Hey Cody, what you carrying today?
Another airsoft. Granny's old gun.
Oh wow, what is that?
22.
The 22?
Yep.
Nice, Steve. Hey Trey, what's your carry?
Archon Type B, Holliston Arm Arm.
Nice. What can you tell me about it?
I've had it a couple years. Got about 1,000 rounds through it.
Nice.
I'm happy with it.
All right.
Thank you.
Hey Waylon, what's your carry today?
My first gun. Ruger Red Hawk, 44 mag.
Nice. What can you tell me about it?
It's got a kick.
Got a kick. Nice.